Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well and enjoying your Friday. So today I have something exciting for you. I am going to show you how I created this makeup look, but not only that, I will give you a quick new insight into my skincare routine. One of the most important parts of this makeup tutorial is how to create this sort of defined cat eye finish, snatched sort of facelift highlight to your face. Now it's a completely new technique which is killing social media right now. For me, it was inspired by a makeup artist called Daniel. He is so amazing. You should go and check out his TikTok page because he's literally killed it through there. I am inspired by him right now. So I thought, you know what, I've tried this off camera, why don't I share it with you guys? Because I do feel this new technique of applying your concealer, you're applying less product, you're getting definition where you want on your specific areas on your face. At the same time, your under eyes are still concealed, you've not got a heavy base, and makeup's just looking extra, you know, on point. Stay tuned and let's get directly into this, guys.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
You guys know how important skincare is, especially for your routine when you're doing makeup. Now, recently I've been using these amazing products that were sent to me by Beauty. Honestly, I kid you not, they are so good. I don't like to share anything with you guys if I don't genuinely like a product, regardless if it was sent to me via PR package. Like, I want you to use stuff that actually has made a difference to me as well as potentially make differences to you. I'm going to show you how I've been using this to do before I do my makeup, and then obviously in the evening I'm not going to show you that part. I'm going to show you how I've been using this prior to applying my makeup recently, and it has made such a big difference in how well my skin's felt after I've taken my makeup off. Also, like, it still feels really hydrated. They are a vegan, cruelty-free brand, however they're also a clean brand. Now, clean has become something so important in the beauty industry. Each and every single one of these capsules are biodegradable, and that's amazing. Like, I myself I'm trying to make a change and improve my own sort of lifestyle, and if I can use products which are vegan, cruelty-free, no animal testing, and are biodegradable, that's definitely going to be a plus point for me. So I'm going to do my morning skincare using the Bulk Beauty product prior to applying my foundation, and I'm going to show you what a difference this makes to your skin. The first product is this white creamy capsule. Honestly, this is an amazing cleanser. So you literally just twist the top and then just squeeze out your product and then literally just wash your face with it. It's so good. Like, it's such an easy product to use, and then you just literally scrub this into your skin, and I kid you not, your skin's gonna feel so nice and clean afterwards, and it's such a gentle product. This will help remove your makeup as well as like sort of any dirt from like being outside that you have on your skin, and literally it's just so good. So I'm just gonna go and wash my face. I feel like, do you know, sometimes you don't know how much of a specific product you're supposed to use. So this actually eliminates that issue for you, because each capsule is the correct quantity of each particular product that you should be using. So after I've done my cleanser, I'm gonna go in with my Glow Don't Shine. Honestly, I love this product. It not only does it fight any sort of excessive shine that you have in your face, but it helps tackle and remove your blemishes. It literally helps to mattify your skin. So do not applying before you're applying makeup. This, I think, is amazing. My skin is not an oily skin. I don't have an oily skin type. However, when it's hot, you're going outside, it literally helps using a serum of this caliber, and it's just so easy to put on. Like, it's just literally glides onto your skin. So I'm not going to apply this right now. I usually do this in the evening, but just so I can share this with you. The other capsule which I have, which is the vitamin A serum, this I use specifically in the evening. It helps to firm, tighten your skin and just feel so nourished for the morning when you wake up. Like, it's an amazing product. So now I'm gonna go in with the last capsule, and I like to use 2 of these. So I'm gonna go in, especially because I'm gonna apply makeup. And this is Mad About Moisture. Literally exactly what it says. Your skin will feel so hydrated afterwards. Once again, pop open your little capsule, place your moisturizer on, and literally just moisturize this into your skin. This will help keep your skin just so hydrated, and it's so important to use a good moisturizer before you apply your foundation. Like, you guys know I'm such a strong believer in using a really good moisturizer beforehand. So yeah, I go in with 2. Everything just feels so nicely hydrated, and it's not greasy. That's the best thing about it. Like, sometimes when you use a moisturizer, you're left with like your hands feeling super greasy, but this actually doesn't give you that feeling. The next step is my base, and I'm now going to go away and apply my base and show you the hacks when it comes to my new technique of applying concealer. So I'll be back for you guys. So I'm slightly doing a different sort of routine than I would normally do. So I've done the smallest amount of eyeshadow with it sort of angling in the eye lift way, but it's so minimal because I'm not even going to put lashes on for this look. So I'm going to go and do my eyebrows now, which is obviously back to front because I would normally do my eyebrows first. So I'm literally just going to go in with my soap brows first to just define my brows. Now, wherever I can see a few sparse areas, I'm literally just going to fill that in with my Morphe pencil. I'm just going to go in with my Benefit Clear Brow Gel. So now we're kind of on the most important step, which is the application of the concealer. Okay, so I am going to go in with 2. The reason being is I would normally use, so when I apply the triangle technique of concealer application, I'm doing that because I want to emphasize on covering my dark circles or my under eye bags, and then I go in with a slightly lighter one just to like add highlight to the areas. Obviously, the whole point of this is to, one, give you like an eye lift, but at the same time it's also to give you that less product feel on your face. I'm literally just going to go in with a small amount and just apply this here, and just using my concealer brush. So now I'm going to go in with the lighter shade, which is medium tan neutral, and I'm going to apply this in specific areas only on my face. So I'm just going to use a concealer brush to apply this. So I'm using a flat brush for this application process. The first thing is to create a lift. Bring this down underneath, and then just apply the remaining product on your brush just underneath. That's step 1. Now, you don't have to go as excessive, so I'm just going to take some away. Then the next part is to apply some of the concealer to your inner corner. Then you want to apply the rest underneath your nose, and then slightly diffuse it out, and then create your line there. So it's kind of like this. So we've literally removed the whole patch normally that we would do in the middle of our face. Then you take the remaining amount and then you basically lift that area there. Now this looks super strange. This literally looks legit really strange, but honestly it will make the biggest difference to your face. So I'm literally just going to do this on this side and I'll be back. So this is currently how my face is looking. You might be like, Kate, seriously, what is on? What is going on with you? Now I'm literally just going to, before I blend that out, just apply a slight amount of cream contour. It's time to go in with our concealer brush, and I want to work with this first. I feel like this, for someone who, you know, isn't extremely experienced, I feel like this technique might actually work better for you. Purely because there's less product on your face for you to blend. Now the reason why we're doing it in these areas only is because this is where light naturally hits your face. So you'll literally get a pop of a highlight in this area, and because the focus will go in these areas, it will then start making your face look snatched. So like that's literally making my face look super snatched. So now that I've blended everything out, I'm literally just gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury. Just apply this everywhere basically. So step number 2, we are going to bake in the specific areas where we did our concealer. So I'm basically just going to use one of my beauty blenders and get the product onto there. Tap away any excess, exactly where we applied the concealer. Whilst it's baking, we can go in and finish our eyes off. Using my curlers, I'm gonna curl my lashes. We're gonna go in Better Than Sex. Now we can fluff away our powder. And then I like to go back in with my Charlotte Tilbury and just apply this all over. Okay, I need to go in and apply some bronzer. So obviously you guys know exactly what I'm going to use. It's my Benefit Hoola. I've literally just applied my bronzer off camera, and I've just finished my eyes off, and I'm in the process of just applying my blush. And this time when I'm applying my I'm applying my blush on the higher parts of my cheeks, not on the center of my upper, like my cheeks itself, purely because this will add to the face feeling lifted. Now I'm just going to go in with my iconic dewy drops. So I like to just press it out on my beauty blender and then just go in with my highlight. Now, just to finish this off, I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Banana Bread. Now guys, remember, this is not over yet. We are gonna go in with our Huda Beauty eyeliner. And then my beauty spots. I really hope you have enjoyed watching this tutorial, and don't forget the skincare part that we did in the beginning, because that was crucial to this look. And I really hope you guys you've enjoyed this, and you go away and tell me if you actually like this technique, this whole new hype about, you know, snatched, catfish, contour, concealer technique. Let me know how it is, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like if you have enjoyed watching this video.